what are the specific areas in the house or about the home that are key to the well-being of the family staying inside those homes?
So the key here is actually very simple. Which area that you use the most, that would be called important area. So there are few areas that you know definitely you will use a lot. Well, one is the kitchen. So we're talking about the general preparation of cooking of foods. 4 to 5 hours would be the general hour you'll be spending there. So that is called important. Then of course your room definitely is important. You'll be sleeping there 6 or 8 hours. That is definitely important. And the third one is basically your door, because the door is the point whereby the external qi and the internal qi get mixed together. So that one would be the important one. These three are the primary important points that you usually have. My personal advice will be learn it out. This is a skill whereby you definitely can learn. It is not something that is mysterious anymore. There's a lot of organization, including Joey Yap here, we actually teaches people how to do this. That's definitely what you need to do. You need to learn, you need to understand what is happening, right? You need to acquire the knowledge. Of course, a more commercial answer will be, find one of us and give us some business. That would be great.
Of course.
But all in all, I think you should start learning how to use this.